Welcome to the showcase of my software Sylvie for the hackathon Hack the Terminal. Sylvie is a Python file. It's written in Python, a single Python file of 500 lines. It's portable, and the main use of it is to edit data stream. Data stream is an unknown number of characters. Now it takes the data stream in the form of two things. It can either take it as a standard in, or it can take it as a file. So let us provide Sylvie's own source code as an input to Sylvie. It simply outputs it back. It has no modification on the data. Let's add line numbers. We want Arabic line numbers. Here are Arabic line numbers. Let's colorize. Sylvie automatically detects that it's a Python file, applies the Python syntax highlighting on it. How cool is that? I told you it accepts standard in. There is a command, sensors command on a standard Linux machine, which gives you the temperature of all the hardware in your computer. It gives me the temperature of my 4 cores and the temperature of my SSD in the composite line. I want the average of my I want the average of my CPU temperature. Let me pipe that to Sylvie. Okay, and it simply pipes it back. Let me search for the word core. Why core? Because that's the line my CPU temperatures are listed in. Let me tabularize it. Now tabularize will simply allow you to treat the data as a table. Let me select the second column. The column number starts from 0, and let me strip the first character, and let me strip the last three characters. Why? Because we don't want degree C, we don't want the plus before the temperatures. And then let me take a mean of it. Still we can store these values in some kind of variable. We'll name the variable CPU temp. Then it can retrieve those variables using the dash dash var argument. There is a built-in input variable which stores the original input. As you can see, it has the original input. Let's take the mean with the SSD temperature. For SSD temperature, we can search composite for the word composite, and then let's tabularize it. Let's have select the column which is the first column. Let me again strip one. Let me concatenate the value of CPU temp. Here 40.9 is my SSD temperature, 45.5 is my CPU temperature. Let me tabularize it again, and let me mean it. Over. I have successfully mean the temperature. Now Sylvie has much more options than this. This is just the tip of the iceberg. You can refer to the GitHub repo. The link is in the description, and there are quite a lot of options. Thank you for watching, and here ends my showcase of my software Sylvie.